So we just finished up this 2021 Lunar Rock TRD PRO Tundra. It's got our TRD PRO lift kit that we offer for them in it. We just finished installing it. It does have the same shock housing as the previous last 2 years with the Fox housing. It's still running our same collar. It's still running a TRD PRO spring. It's obviously got a Fox part number on it, so it is Fox's spring. There is a left and a right housing for these. The preload is not built into the spring, it's built into the housing, so there's the left and the right. The new 2021 4Runner, they are using one housing, and the preload is now built into the spring itself. And so what we have done is we have the collar for the 2021 4Runners to offset for the spring, because it's now a step spring instead of a flat spring. So we'll have a new 2021 4Runner here this next week, just to show you on some of the video on that, so you can see exactly what was done.